Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about hyoid bone does not fracture in choking. It can fracture in hanging or strangulation or throttling. Outward displacement of fractured hyoid bone is seen in hanging. In hanging, there can be hyoid bone fracture. Hyoid bone fracture can be of three types: outward compression fracture or antero-posterior compression fracture, which is seen in hanging, and ligature strangulation also. In this, the hyoid bone is pushed backwards and there is a fracture in the hyoid bone. So this outward displacement or outward compression fracture is seen in hanging mainly, but it can also be seen in ligature strangulation. Whereas in throttling, inward compression fracture is seen in throttling. Thank you and thank you for watching.